Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make my stickers made with AI, but we have to remove the background and fit it to the frame so that way we can download it and they're ready to be printed. And I'm also going to show you a new tool that I integrated with Design Frame, which is a sticker calculator, and how I price those kind of stickers. But first, let's remove the background. We're gonna go to Special Tools and Background Remover. We're gonna select the sticker that I created with AI again. And of course, the color that we're going to remove will be the yellow. And now I'm going to select this color here and remove it until we don't see any more traces. Now we're going to remove this little color here, the gold, and now it's almost there. I still see some traces here that we can still remove, and we're gonna pick on this section here, and finally it's gone. Now we can download this image without the background, and then we're gonna close. We're gonna turn our black frame, and we're gonna upload now the same image but without the background, which will be called background remover. And we're gonna make the size a little bit bigger, and there it is, now the image without any background. Let me show you the difference, the original file, because unfortunately when you make files with like ChatGPT and all of that, they give you the images but with a frame or a background. So you see the difference. If you send this to print, it will be just a frame, and you don't want that. You want what they call a die cut sticker. So this is what we have here. Now we're gonna go to adjust frame, and we gotta get rid of this image here. Adjust frame, and we're going to just adjust. You know what, let me refresh this, but for some reason the frame is trying to grab the other image. I shouldn't uploaded that, but right now I'm going to just select what we work on, which is this image, and we're just going to save the little sticker. Now let's download, and now it's finally a what they call a PNG with no background. So that's what we want. That's what you're going to send to the company so they can print your sticker. And now let me show you the calculator, the sticker calculator that I have here. And here's some instructions to read the formula and all of that. This is kind of like a bulk pricing formula. The more they get, of course, the less they pay for every square inch, because this calculator is based on the square inch. So let's say that that sticker that we just made measures 2 inches by 2 inches, and they only want 3 stickers. So if they get 3 stickers, it's 1 to 10 stickers, they paid $1 per square inch. So that is the price that is already here by default. You can do 80 cents, whatever, but that's what we're gonna price. And let's say they want 3 stickers, and I'm gonna have to ship them to and with an envelope, $1 for the stamp. So we add $1, no tax, and we calculate, and this is how much the person is gonna pay for those 3 stickers. Now we encourage them to get at least I don't know, like 50 stickers, 100. If they do decide to get, let's say, 100 stickers, they will pay 15 cents per square inch. So let's say 100 stickers, and they pay 0.15, and then you calculate, and this is how much they will pay for 100 little stickers. But of course you will change your pricing too, or if you want to do free shipping included. What some companies do is they reduce the price per square inch up to 7 cents per square inch, but they do charge you when you check out. They do charge you the what they call the hidden fee, which is the shipping fee, and they integrate that money that they're going to charge you for shipping. So um, let's say if you do 7 cents, you only pay $28 for 100 stickers 2 by 2. And yeah, there's a formula here. You don't need to follow step by step, but you get an idea of how much um, crafters are paying for selling their stickers. And yeah, very simple tool. And I also have a teacher pricing calculator, which I will also show you how it works. So yeah, let me know in the comments. And again, if you want to get this program, you can follow the link below for a price. Of course, it's a one-time payment. You can do many things, as you can do like your daily journal, or what they call daily planner, or you can do invoices. Using the sign frame, you can use an invoice that you might get for free. There's many websites that give you templates for invoices. Just upload it here and you will edit your invoice with the text here. So yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next episode.